Maraki. And of course, to receive the award is no other than Miss Rina Ortiz, CEO and co-founder of Biaya Animal Care. Once again, saludo po kami sa inyo. Palakpakan naman natin. Congratulations to the Community Leader Award of 2026. No other than Biaya Animal Care. As all welcome, Ms. Rina Ortiz.
Hello. Not used to these things, but anyway, I want to thank everybody. Animal welfare is human welfare. We believe in that. And we're a social enterprise, which means, and we have a foundation, so the money that we earn in the hospital and in the two clinics funnels into what we do, and we mostly work with LGUs. Kapon ang solusyon, hindi tapon. That's another hashtag that's worth thinking about. And Stray-Free, Rabies-Free Philippines 2035. Bakit po? So, bakit kapon? Kasi po, to tell you in numbers, Biaya has done 161,000 kapons in 3 years. When you do the calculation of that, for every one animal that is kapon, you avoid 1,000 animals. That's the ratio. So, in other words, 161,000 means 161 million animals that will not be born to the streets, that will not be meat abuse, cruelty, sickness, die of hunger, or disease. But there's also another LGU story there. When you lessen and manage the population, you also manage bite incidences, rabies, so the LGU needs to spend less every year if we manage the stray population.